In this video, let's review the Start Quote Button customer pipeline. This button can be on a separate splash page as shown or directly wired to your website. After clicking the Start Quote button, you are taken to a guided input form that will walk you through adding the information to create your quote. Let's create a quote for a complete pack, including a printed RSC carton. Now let's fill in the customer information and the quantity needed. Click the Next button to move to the next page. Let's start by adding internal dimensions of the carton. Next, we will pick the style of the carton. Let's pick RSC for this example. The RSC will be printed, so let's click the Print button to confirm. As you can see, the internal foam size has been calculated to include 1/8 allowance in the length and width directions. Let's click the Next button to move to the next page. This page will again confirm the foam size. Click the Recalculate Foam Fit to lock the foam size in for the quote. Next, we can pick from 3 presets for the foam layer design. We can pick a top pad with bottom foam, a bottom only that fills the carton with one solid piece of foam, or a placeholder that lets you pick your layers in the foam editor. Let's pick the bottom foam with a top pad. The form defaults to a 1-inch top pad and sets the remaining foam thickness as the bottom. Let's click the Next button and move to the next page. Here we can add a single cavity that will be seated into the bottom foam. Any additional cavities can be added in the editor. Click the Next button to select the foam material. First, select the foam family for the material. Then select the desired foam density from the list. Click the Next button to move to the review page of the form. All of the information that you have added to the form will be shown here. Once confirmed correct, click the Launch Layout Editor button. The information from the form is seeded into the editor. Use the editor to review the design and to double-check all information for the quote. Also, if needed, you can add more cavities, adjust thicknesses, materials, carton sizes, and add more layers. Let's crop the corners of our top layer so it is easy to remove from the carton. Now let's double-check our cavity size in the bottom layer. Once confirmed, we can click the Apply to Quote button. Let's quickly review the quote for accuracy. We can click the Open Layout Editor button if we need to make revisions to the pack. Now we can click to print the quote, send the quote to a salesperson, or schedule a call with customer service. This concludes our video on the Start a Quote Button customer pipeline. We hope you have found this video informative And we look forward to creating more videos to help you navigate the Alex I/O quoting software.